Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, November 3rd. Today we are going to work on our teen issues unit and we're going to look at our first issue, which is COVID-19 or climate change. So what we need to do first though is go through claims and evidence notes. So you can get there by clicking on this. After you're done doing that, then you are going to choose which articles you're going to read. So if you click on your hour over here, and then it'll bring you here and you can pick which folder you want to be in. If you want to read about COVID, click on this folder. If you want to read about climate in America, click on this folder. Both folders have a bunch of different articles in them. You need to pick 2 or 3 articles to read so that you can get some information on whichever topic you choose. Then after you're done reading your articles and annotating them, then you can come down to this pro-con chart. And you can get there either by clicking here and clicking on this, or there's also a link on the agenda slide. What you need to do after reading your articles is you need to form an argument about your topic and examine both sides of the issue. So to create your argument, you can answer one of the following questions. So if you did COVID-19, should schools operate as normal during the pandemic? Create your argument, type it in here. If you're doing climate change, you can look at these 2 questions. So how should climate change in America be handled? Or should America put more focus on addressing climate change? So you can choose which one you would like to do for that one. You don't have to do both topics, just choose one. Then you'll write your argument in here. So depending on which topic you have chosen, put your argument in there, and then you need to look back at the articles that you read and create pro and con lists for your argument. After you're finished, there is a drop box over here for you. You can turn it in when you are finished. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.